Привет, друзья! It's your Russian teacher Olisiia here again. So you already know how to say hello, thank you, and goodbye. Now let's imagine the story goes on. You're still in Russia, you're walking down the street, and someone talks to you. They ask, Как дела? Как дела? You already know this question, right? It means, how are you? But now you hear it in real life, not in a textbook. So you stop for a second and think, what should I answer? If you feel good, you say, Хорошо. Хорошо. That means good. For example, Как дела? Хорошо. How are you? Good. If everything is okay but nothing special, you say Нормально. Нормально. That means okay, fine. And if things are not so great, you can say плохо. Плохо. That means bad. But don't worry. Most of the time you'll say хорошо or нормально. I hope so. Now the person looks at you and asks another question. Вы откуда? Вы откуда? This means where are you from? Let's break it down. Вы, you, formal. Откуда, from where? From where? So literally, you from where? You answer with a very simple structure. Я is. That means I'm from. So you say, Я из Америки. I'm from America. Я из Италии. I'm from Italy. Just replace the country with your own. Then the person smiles, they understand you, and now it's time to introduce yourself properly. You say, Меня зовут Том. That means my name is Tom. And they reply, Приятно познакомиться. Приятно познакомиться. You already know this phrase. It means nice to meet you. You smile and answer, Мне тоже. Мне тоже, that means me too. Simple, natural, real Russian. Now imagine this. You are in a cafe, a waiter comes to your table. You say, Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте, because this is a stranger and you want to be polite. The waiter smiles and asks, Что будете пить? Что будете пить? Don't panic. You don't need to understand everything. You just say, Чай, пожалуйста. Чай, пожалуйста. That means, tea, please. And the waiter asked you, what do you want to drink? The waiter brings your tea. You say, спасибо. And the waiter answers, пожалуйста. Спасибо is thank you. Пожалуйста is you're welcome. Perfect Russian interaction. Now suddenly you need to ask something. Maybe you didn't hear the waiter well. Maybe you want to ask for the menu. You say, Извините. This means excuse me. Извините, for example. Извините, можно меню? Извините, можно меню? Excuse me, can I have the menu? If you want to sound even more polite, you say прошу прощения. Прошу прощения. It's a bit more formal but very natural. After some time, you finish your tea. It's time to leave. You say to the waiter, До свидания. That means goodbye. До свидания. It's formal and polite. And when you leave the cafe, you feel proud. You think to yourself, I can already speak Russian. Not perfectly, not fluently, but you can communicate. And that's the most important thing. Later that evening, you meet a friend. You smile and say Привет. Hello. Your friend answers Привет. You ask Как дела? How are you? Your friend says Хорошо. А у тебя? Good. And you? You answer Нормально. Fine. And you laugh together. And now at the end of the day you say Спокойной ночи. Good night. Спокойной ночи. And just like that, step by step, word by word, phrase by phrase, Russian stops being scary. It becomes real.